The fifth thing that the instructions say is to know and understand the principles, the pertinent principles of law, and their qualifications and limitations and their relationship to each other. This means that for the California bar, just knowing the first level of rule, okay, the definition of burglary, the definition of doctrine of dependent relative revocation, whatever the issue is, isn't enough. You have to be able to know also the exceptions and the limitations, okay, that's going to change the answer from black to white when you add the exception. The only way to do that is to narrow the focus of what you study, and for the issues that are repeatedly tested, for you to zero in on those issues so you know them better. Now, most courses cover the MBE. I do not. Courses that cover the MBE they don't tell you, but they lead you to believe that if you know the law once, just know everything, okay, you're going to be able to use it effectively both to answer MBE questions, where it's got to be one of those four answer choices, and also that you're going to be able to reason in depth on the essays, where you actually have to know the rule and you have to be able to write it and then reason about it. You can't, because when you know everything, nothing's important. Okay? It's too much information. So instead, for the essays, what I do is I streamline the amount that you study to the issues that are the tried and true, most popular and often tested issues on the essays. And for those, you work with them, you write lots of practice essays, you know the exceptions and limitations to those issues. And that allows you to reason. And reasoning is where the points are for both the essays and the performance tests.